welcome to the prairie. Prairie, it's the French word for the endless grasslands that the European settlers found when they came out here for the first time in the 1850s. Prairie includes tall grasses and various and sundry beautiful wildflowers, and the farmers thought, wow, if it'll grow this stuff, surely it'll grow beautiful crops. They saw acres and acres of cornfields and potato fields and orchards. Unfortunately, when they did that, when they plowed the prairie, they were destroying an ecosystem that used to be a very important part of the life of many creatures and plants that are native to Iowa. That's why this prairie is here now. Only 1% of native prairie is left. This prairie is not native. It was planted in 1971 as erosion control over the grave of President Hoover, but also to provide a serene backdrop, to provide space for recreation, and to provide a place to teach about prairie, to provide a little bit of habitat for prairie animals and prairie plants that otherwise would have no place to grow. One of the things that helps sustain our prairie is burning. We burn the prairie, we try to burn it once a year, at least half of it, and that helps do a couple of things. It suppresses woody growth, so shrubs don't overtake the prairie plants. It also suppresses some kinds of annual plants like the Queen Anne's lace here. That's a weed from England. It doesn't belong here. It's very pretty and everybody likes it, but it doesn't belong here. These kinds of weeds have a tendency to outcompete the native plants, and so in this prairie we do suppress them by fire or by using volunteer crews to come out and cut weedy shrubs and treat them with herbicides. Some of the invasive grasses can be mowed to suppress them. Some things can be pulled, and there are other means that we use to maintain this prairie that probably wouldn't have been necessary if it was a larger piece or if it was in its native state. But it's surrounded by a lot of competition of farm fields and weedy areas, so it does get weed seeds in it.